Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how we can do the local SEO of our businesses. So this is, let's say this is our GMB profile, and we want this profile to be in the top position in our local area. So what we are going to do is we have to do some postings and Q&A and add some products. So let's just start with how we can post on our GMB. So for that, let's just jump to the post section. Okay, then we click add post. Okay, here you have to write down the description. So you can simply just search on ChatGPT about the services you're providing. I'm just going to write here how we can uh, write down our description. Then for the images, I'll just upload this one. Okay, and then simply click the post button. Okay. So this is the first step. So you have to, post as many services as you can. So what this will do is the Google will think that this business is providing and it's updating its services on daily basis. So it will automatically trigger on your in the searches on top. So now let's jump over to the product section. It's similar to the post. So what you need to do is you need to click add products. Okay, and for right now I'll just write down digital marketing services. So I'm trying to rank this GMB profile for specifically this keyword, digital marketing services. So in the product section, I'll write down this in the product name. In categories, I'll select digital marketing services. Then we have to select the photo. Okay, I'm just selecting this one. You can write down the prices, whatever your services cost. I'm just leaving this blank because it's optional. And for the description, same, you just go to ChatGPT and search about that. Just copy paste it and click publish. And then again, you can add another product and another product. So the trick in this is you can upload the same product as many times as you want. So what's the benefit of this is the Google thinks that this business is providing a lot of products and a lot of services, and it will automatically rank your business in the local area. So just give it a try to this one. It's a little trick for this one. Obviously, no business is offering a lot of services, so you can upload the same product as many times as you want to rank your GMB in your local area. Now coming to the last part, the Q&A section. Okay, so what you need to do is you have to write down the questions and answers related to your business, related to your products or services. Like you have to write any possible questions, whatever comes to the into your audience mind, that what would be the difficulties someone is facing and how you can provide the solution. So let's just say I'm just writing a question. Easily just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write questions and answers. So write FAQ and answers related to. So for this time I'm just copy pasting these questions. How long does it take to see results? So I'll post this question. Okay. And then what I need to do is I'll just go to the answer section and I'll write the answer myself. So why we are doing this is because when anyone searches about this query on Google, so the Google will like check all the local businesses and see which business is offering products or services similar to this query. So, and it also crawls your data and whatever description you have written. So, for that purpose, we are answering like as many possible questions as we can related to our services so that it when someone searches it will appear in the top. So that's how you can promote your local business through your GMB. Obviously there are other ways by which you can promote your local business, but those ones are paid. So this one is free and you can simply try it by yourself on your GMB, and you can let me know if you face any difficulty or if you don't see any results, and I'll give you feedback on that.